So, I did something insane. I asked AI to make me a viral YouTube video. You know, title, script, thumbnail, the whole package. Basically, I thought AI was going to turn me into Mr. Beast overnight. Spoiler alert, it didn't. And the result was way more shocking than I expected. Yeah, the robots are not replacing YouTubers anytime soon.
Hello friends, today we will make a viral video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Step 1. I told AI, make me a viral YouTube video, and it immediately gave me a 12-step plan. Like it had been training for this moment its whole life. Wow, revolutionary. Who knew I needed to be funny on the YouTube? Thanks, Robo. Step 3. Be funny? Yeah, because clearly that's something AI just nailed. Lastly, clown AI. I can't take it seriously, but at least it tried. Wow, never seen that before. Groundbreaking, truly. Yes, because nothing screams viral like a random reward. So, I prompt AI to create this thumbnail. Now see the most clickable thumbnail never seen on YouTube before. This isn't a shocking thumbnail. This looks like a Photoshop had a panic attack. AI, you're not funny, you're awkward. That's my job. Now let's move to the last part, which is uploading. Now we will upload this video according to the guide of AI, even the description and tag. Now we will import the same thumbnail that is created by AI. Now click on Next. Now we add answer screen. I don't think that this video goes viral. You think? Then please comment. This sounds less like Mr. Beast and more like a toaster giving a dead dog. And don't forget to like and subscribe.